Hi everyone, welcome to Achievement First's open source website, which is www.achievementfirst.org/open source, as you can see up here. I'm Emily. I'm on the partnerships team at Achievement First, our external facing team, and I'm here to give you just a quick introduction to the types of materials that are available in our open source site. One quick thing to note before we dive in here is that multiple opportunities and on multiple pages, there are links to provide feedback or contact us if you have questions about what's going on. So please don't hesitate to use that at any time as you're navigating the site if you do need additional help. There's kind of 6 overarching categories of materials and resources that we're sharing through this site. And you'll see those listed here on the home page. Just note, you get to the home page by creating an account and logging in, which should not take you very long at all. Just so you're aware what's going into each of these categories. So organizational effectiveness, this is anything to do with really what makes a tight organization run. Your talent materials, materials about core values and decision making, and materials related to strategic planning. Within the instructional model, that's where you can find both an additional link to our open source curriculum page, where you can find all of our daily lesson materials and curriculum and content materials for our K-12 program. There is a separate video for that if you're interested in hearing more about how to navigate that site, because it's pretty comprehensive. In addition, on the instructional model site, there's materials for arc of the year, or how you set different foci for different parts of the year, in materials related to college readiness and school readiness. In the operational model section, you'll find materials related to anything our ops friends are working on, so compliance, facilities, finance, and human capital. External facing model is a category for really the things that are happening technically outside of your network. The materials for a board, for families, communities, in addition to marketing and communications. Our school turnaround resources page is actually a huge compilation of materials put together from a conference where we gathered artifacts from successful turnaround operators. And this is a ton of stuff in everything from district relations to change management to culture of schools. Lastly, our partner resources site has links to other networks that do some sharing as well, in addition to companies or organizations that have good resources to share. One thing to note, if you click on the green button, it will take you to the subcategories of that particular type of material. So in organizational effectiveness, here are the subheadings that you might want to pull from. Once you get inside of that, you can pick one of those additional topics like priority setting, for example, and pull one of the resources specifically related to that. You'll note that once you actually drill in, all of the opening categories for resources are then listed down the left-hand side as well. You can navigate using these buttons just as easily as you can going back to the home page with the green buttons. So once you're here, you can also navigate down this left-hand side. 2 other quick things to point out. There is a page for a glossary of commonly used AF terms. We love acronyms here at AF, and here are some of them all defined. Lastly, you may want to contact us, and like I said, there's a few different ways to do that, but down the bottom, there's a link for where you can contact us. You can go ahead and click, and it'll link to a Google form that collects feedback and questions in response to them. Like I said, there's an additional video for all of the materials related to Instructional Curriculum Hub, so check that video out too, and contact us with any questions you might have. Enjoy our open source site.